To get started with Meta Business Suite, a great tool for managing and growing your online presence. You can access it by opening a browser and navigating to business.facebook.com. Once you log in with your Facebook or Instagram credentials, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can view an overview of all your linked platforms, including Instagram and Facebook followers, your to-do list, and options to create posts, add stories, and more. From the dashboard, you can create a post and publish it directly to both Facebook and Instagram at the same time. The Meta Business Suite also allows you to manage notifications, inbox messages, and content across all your platforms in one place. You can view all your messages, comments, and posts, as well as track engagement rates, such as reach, for each post. Additionally, you can create new stories and reels, run ad campaigns, and access insights into your platform's performance, including impressions, engagement, and audience data. By exploring the various options and features, you can effectively use the Meta Business Suite to manage and grow your online presence.